REALview is a great tool that allows you to get a view of your print in the real world before committing time and materials to printing it, and I will show you how to use it. There are a few things that you'll need for REALview to work: a webcam, some focus markers printed on a piece of paper, a focus model to attach the focus markers to. In this video, I'll show you how to create the last two items, the focus markers and the focus model. Both of these can be found directly in REALvision Pro. To find the focus markers, go to Plugins, REALview, Setup Guide, and if we scroll down, we can see the markers that REALvision Pro uses to place your model in real world. These need to be printed out on a piece of paper and then glued to the focus model for REALview to work. To find the focus model, go to Plugins, REALview, and then load REALview Focus to the workspace. As you can see, this loads the model with the exact dimensions needed for the focus markers to work correctly. The model is designed to be printed as is, so all that is left to do is click Prepare, wait for it to finish slicing, and then click Export. Now it's time to print both the 2D focus markers and the 3D model. Once everything is printed, we need to assemble them. Luckily, this is as simple as cutting along the solid lines, bending along the dotted lines, and gluing the markers onto the focus model. I will now show you how this is done. Now we have a fully assembled focus module. The next thing is to load your favorite model in REALvision Pro. And then you can click on the REALview icon up to the right. Now when you hold your focus module up to your webcam, REALview detects the markers on it and displays the print bed with the printed part on top of it. When you're done, you can click the REALview icon again and go back to normal. This is how you use REALview in REALvision Pro. I hope you found this video helpful and feel confident using this plugin in your day-to-day workflow.